This is Novva Data Center's flagship Salt Lake City campus, a 100-acre site in West Jordan, Utah. When complete, the campus will offer 500,000 square feet of data center floor space, 100,000 square feet of office space, and a total power capacity of 250 megawatts. All said and done, this is over 1 million square feet of build. The scale is intentional. It allows the campus to grow without adding unnecessary complexity. Each building follows a repeatable design, efficient, expandable, and consistent. So new phases can come online without reworking the core infrastructure every time. Construction here happens in parallel. Phase 1 came online in 2023. Phase 2 broke ground later that year. Phase 3 followed in early 2024. Each phase includes a large data hall designed to support 72 megawatts of critical IT load, along with offices and common space to support the data center staff. Power and cooling were central to the original site planning, allowing the campus to scale alongside demand. The campus is designed for direct-to-chip cooling and operates without water year-round, using ambient air in a high-altitude desert climate. That approach influences everything, from mechanical systems to site layout, and results in significantly lower water use compared to similar facilities in the region. For the teams building this campus, the challenge isn't just size, it's coordination. Multiple phases, overlapping schedules, infrastructure that has to work as a whole, even while parts of it are still being built. This site reflects how large-scale data center construction is happening today. Planned early, built in modules, and designed to adapt. This is Novva's Salt Lake City campus. Practical by design, built to scale, and ready for what's next.